Welcome to another video here. I just want to show a quick video on a truck that we just got here at the body shop. It's one that I'm probably going to use as a plow truck and just another service truck here. So anyway, this truck, if you look around the front here, it was hit in the front pretty hard, and it took out quite a few of the front parts here, the radiator support. Over here on this side, this apron, if we can film in close, you can see that this is where the new apron is going to be welded on. Ironically, this new apron or used apron came from another truck that was blue. So we've got a little bit of rust areas we're going to clean up, and then there's some mechanical parts in here that were damaged, a water pump and a few other things. So what we're going to do to this truck is we're going to take it apart, take the cab off of it, and we're going to leave the cab here, and then all of the structural parts will be welded on, repaired, painted, and we have these carts that we can put the whole cab on top of. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the frame, now that it's already been straightened out. They had just a little bit of work over here on this side that they had to pull on. I can feel it still has a little bit of tension, so sometimes they'll leave that tension there for a day or two. But after this gets welded on, they'll take this frame and the motor off of it. We're also going to take, so like I said, this whole cab will come off the frame, and then this box is going to come off the frame as well. We'll take that over to the mechanics at our towing company. They're pretty familiar with these Fords, you know, because we have quite a few of them, and they're going to rebuild certain parts of the motor, and there's a few other things they're going to do to it. This box here, we're going to take this off and we're going to rebuild a box or buy one, because we're going to put a fifth wheel attachment on it, also a gooseneck attachment, and then the Reese hitch attachment will go on this. This is going to end up to be a really nice truck. It's a 350, it's a 1-ton, and it has airbags in the rear suspension. I don't know if it has it in the front or not. No, it doesn't. So, but the airbags in the rear are pretty nice, and it will help with loads. There is another attachment we're going to put on this truck. I'll kind of leave that off for now, and then as we proceed later in the videos, we'll show you what we're going to do for a rear attachment. There's quite a bit of work to it. The truck is actually relatively solid, even though the box is dented up pretty bad in certain areas. It's got a decent tailgate on it. The rear bumper is junk. Here's these, what are these called? I can't even remember. The air for the airbags in the rear. But again, this box is dented up, so we're going to take that off and replace that with a custom. Here's the old, we'll redo all the electrical as well. Here's the old radiator saddle. They actually straightened out quite a bit of it, but you can see all the damages in here. It was buckled right in here. Also another severe buckle here. And then this apron right through here is bad. The apron is what holds actually the fenders on. So they did straighten it out before they pulled it off, but that's part of their procedure, is to always straighten it out as much, you know, as possible, and then take it off and then replace it. So it's going to be a pretty nice truck, and I'm looking forward to using it for plowing, hauling our big trailers. We have a 42-foot trailer we haul. And we'll also be putting another attachment on it. It's going to be pretty cool. It's going to go a little bit of a hint of what we're going to do. It's going to go underneath the truck. So it's going to be a pretty nice truck. It's a perfect truck for it. The size of it, the length is going to work out great. So anyway, I wanted to do a quick video on this, just showing what we're going to do for this truck. I think it's going to be a great winter truck, a great plow truck and work truck. Our other service truck right now is just a 1-ton, so it doesn't really have that capability of plowing or hauling anything really heavy. Some of our lighter trailers we'll use for it. And then our other, we have a 450 van or bus, and that's just really used for hauling our tools, equipment. We have different properties, and so the gentleman that drives that vehicle, he just drives around to the different properties that he has to work at, and then that's what he uses to haul all of his tools and equipment. So anyway, I wanted to do a quick introduction to this truck here. It's going to be quite a bit of work that has to be done, but I'm looking forward to having a truck that I can use for work. Sounds great. Thank you much. Again, I always ask that if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. We try to do different things here because we do different things as well as buses, trams, golf carts, towing. But this one is for the body shop and partly end up with the towing as well. But again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you much, and I hope you're having a great day.